also welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Selena Gomez here with My Mind and Me. So, a cute song and nice to play, not that hard. We have this main melody combined with some strumming later on, so that's what we're gonna look at. No need for any capo on this one, so we go with 5 clean chords for this. So let's start with the chords. We have the A first, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. The next chord will be E, so that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Then we have the F sharp minor. It's a bar chord, so we're going with a bar here on the 2nd fret, all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. And then we have the D chord here, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And we will end with the D minor, so it's pretty similar. You just need to recuperate your fingers a little bit. So that will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. All right. So there you have it, 5 chords, A, E, F sharp minor, D, and D minor. Okay, so we'll start with this melody. It goes for the intro, but also in the verses. So, you're going to play on the B and E string, but very high up here. So it sounds like this. All right. And I like to have the bass here on the 9th fret E string, and I hold that one with my middle finger. All right. I think that is the easiest way to handle this melody. Okay, so I'm starting with this open A string, and the bass just have some backbone to it. Okay, so the open A together now with 10th fret B string. Okay, and then you go to this 9th fret E string. So I have this grip with my ring finger on 10th fret B string and my middle finger on the 9th fret E string. And this 9th fret E string with my middle finger, it's kind of glued here to this to the string here. Okay, so open A together with 10th fret B string, then 9th fret E string. Then I'm going to the 9th fret B string with my index finger and the 9th fret E string. Then I'm using the 8th fret here, B string, going upwards here with my index finger. Then 9th fret E string. And I stretch out to the 7th fret B string with my index. And I'm playing this part. So it's the 9th fret E string, and you hammer on to the 10th fret, and you pull off to get back to the 9th fret. So that means I'm just picking with my right hand the first note there, the 9th fret E string, and the rest my left hand is working here with the hammer on and pull off. All right, so that is the melody. Sounds like this. Okay, you're gonna play 1 round for intro, and then comes the first verse. You're gonna continue with this for 2 rounds of this melody. So far we've played 3 rounds in total here, and then in the lyrics comes the pre-chorus here. You will just play 1 down on D and 1 down on D minor. So it starts with, yeah, I'm constantly trying to fight something, and so on. So you're gonna play 1 down on D, 1 down on D minor, and that is the pre-chorus, okay? Then comes the first chorus, My Mind and Me. That's where we're on the lyrics, and now We have a chord progression here, but first and foremost, a strumming pattern. The first chord will be A, so I'll grab that A and we'll look at the strumming first. It's a very basic strumming pattern, very common. It goes like this. Okay, so it's down, 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 up. Okay, so that is one round. And notice I'm playing on the first two downs, more on the bass strings, bass middle, and the last down, down, up, more on the middle top string. So first two, a little bit darker, and then I answer with the down, down, up on the top strings. That gives a little bit more variation in your playing, a little bit more colorful, so like this. So that's the strumming, and now let's look at the chord progression. You're gonna start with A, one strumming round, then E, one strumming round, then F sharp minor 1, and D 1. That chord progression you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So let's do that together. A, E, F sharp, and D. Repeat. A, E, F sharp. Now we're about half into this chorus, and the lyrics will start now, all of the crashing. Okay, so, and all, they're gonna play E1, then F sharp minor 1, and D2. And the last row there, it's the E1, F sharp minor 1, D1, and then you're gonna end with the D minor just 1 down. Okay, so E1, F sharp minor 1, and D2, then E1, F sharp 1, D1, and D minor 1 down, like this. E, F sharp, D, D, E, F sharp, D, and D minor 1 down. And that is the chorus. Then after this comes this little middle play. It's melody round there. So again, this and so on. So 1 round of that, and then starts the second verse. Okay, so the second verse will be played in the same way as the first one, so nothing changes there. And that takes us to the second pre-chorus. That changes a little bit. Instead of just playing 1 down on D and then 1 down on D minor, now you're gonna play 4 downs. So on D and 3 downs on D minor plus a pause. And then comes the second chorus. So that's the only difference. The chords are the same, just 4 downs on D, D minor 3 downs plus a pause. The second chorus is played in the exact same way as the first one, so nothing changes there. And the song ends with an outro part. Okay, so it's a lot of my mind and me, and so on. That's where we're on the lyrics, the final part. This is a chord progression now with A, E, F sharp minor, and D. In the same way as the chorus starts. That chord progression, 1 strumming round per chord, it will play for 4 rounds. So 4 rounds of this chord progression. All right, and then you just end it with 1 round of the intro melody, and that is how this beautiful song from Selena Gomez, My Mind and Me, ends. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, please let me know, thumb this up, and show me some love here on Gordon Guitar, and I hope to see you very soon. So till then, play tuned.